Hello everyone, I'm Aaliyah Dhawan from IR Smart Start and this is the part 3 of Physics Heat Grade 7. And let's start with the spoon story. I was holding a spoon which was being heated by a candle. After some time, I left it on the table because I felt it was hot. Question that comes to our mind is that other end of the spoon was being heated. Then why I on the other side started feeling that it's hot? What happens is when I begin heating one end of the spoon, the balls or the molecules inside make the spoon begin to start revolting. Right now the revolution is not so constant and strong, but eventually it starts spreading through word of mouth. Now what happens? The heat molecules bounce against each other and this keeps repeating. And when they bounced against each other, they make physical contact, which is what I mean by saying word of mouth. Reason behind feeling that the spoon was hot. The molecules now are comparatively more active. This happens through physical contact or word of mouth. One of these molecules or balls bounced against each other and then bounces again and next time and so on. This revolution takes some time and after that the person holding the spoon realizes that it's hot. Experiment 1. The aim of this experiment is to prove that heat spreads by word of mouth. Name of the experiment is the wax experiment. Materials required: spoon, wax and candle. You can replace the spoon by a stick, but it should be made of steel. Procedure: 3 balls of wax are attached to the spoon or the stick and brought in contact with the fire as shown in the diagram. So in this diagram we can see that this is the stick, 3 balls of wax are attached to it. We can name them as 1, 2 and 3, and the stick is brought in contact with the candle. After some time we can see that the ball 1 has started liquefying or melting a bit. The ball 2 is starting to liquefy and the ball 3 is changed just a little bit by some centimeters or millimeters. So what happens here is that when the rod or the stick is heated, the heat starts spreading and it spreads to the first ball of wax and that's why it starts liquefying. Then this happens to the ball 2 and then to the third one. And that is the reason why the first ball liquefies or melts first. Hence proved that heat spreads through word of mouth. Word of mouth is nothing but physical contact.